welcome to Trusting Your Taste Buds with Tina. And today we're making whole wheat chocolate chip peanut butter cookies. Okay, so first we're gonna get the dough ready. And right here I have 2 cups of whole wheat flour. And I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. And half a tablespoon of baking powder. And 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And then I mix it around, just give it a little stir. Get it all mixed in. And then you'll notice when you don't see like big clumps of white anymore. I'm gonna put it to the side. And I have here 1 cup of creamy peanut butter. If you do want to have nuts in these cookies, it's fine. I would just add them in when we add in the chocolate chips. And we have half a cup of packed brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 stick or half a cup of butter. And I let it sit and soften at room temperature. Okay, now we're gonna blend it all together. And then after that's blended, then I add 1/4 cup of water, cold or room temperature. You don't want it warm or hot. And then blend again. And now we're gonna slowly mix in the flour. Now that it's all blended, we're going to add 1 cup of chocolate chips. I add it before I chill the dough. Otherwise, sometimes it can be really hard to mix it in if you try to do it when the dough is cold. I just got a spatula. I don't use the hand mixer for this. Try to mix it as evenly as you can. Perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in the fridge for at least an hour to chill, to let that whole wheat flour absorb that extra moisture. Can't wait. Okay, so it's time to bake the cookies. I have the dough here. It was in the fridge for over an hour, about an hour and a half. And I have my oven preheated to 350. So now I'm going to use my cookie scoop and just make some balls. If you don't have a cookie scoop, that's fine. You just use a spoon. I just try to make all of the balls roughly the same size so that they'll cook evenly in the oven. Okay, time to put in the oven. Okay, so the whole wheat chocolate chip peanut butter cookies are finally ready. I took them out of the oven. They were in the oven at 350 degrees for 18 minutes. And you can see they got a little golden brown on the edges. They have a nice shape to them. And you can open them and see the chocolate all over. Really good, really chocolatey. They are amazing. This is a recipe you have to try. The whole family's gonna love them. And you can find the full recipe written out on my website. And don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can find more recipes like this. Thanks.